so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, y'all. So I know I'm giving relaxed, calm, cool, and collected with my little braids or whatever. But that's not why I brought y'all here today. Y'all, tonight I am making chicken curry. So when me and John went to Jamaica, it really inspired me. Y'all don't look at my background. It's a little dirty. But we went to Jamaica. Their food was so good that it inspired me to want to make the food myself. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make some chicken curry. Okay, so y'all, I got my chicken here, I got my curry. Yeah, I got a little hair in my eyes, I'm sorry. It is what it is. Got my chicken. Most people use like Cornish hen and they break it up, but I just went ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and use these wings. I'm gonna clean this chicken, and I'm learning from this guy online. Uh-oh, you okay? Your head hurts? Spank him. Spank the door. No. Okay. Good job, Melly. So, yes, I'm about to go ahead and make the chicken curry for my family. Hopefully it's not too spicy. If it is, I'm just going to bake some barbecue chicken for the kids. That way they have something to eat and we can do that kind of thing or whatever. So, yeah, y'all. But, yes, I got everything. I got my curry. I got my powder. I got my pot. I know it's probably not big enough, but that's okay. We don't have a huge family. It's only 3 of us. Well, 4 now, but, well, 6 of us in total. Including this baby I have to feed. So, garlic powder. I'm going to show y'all how I do all of that. So, yeah, but stay tuned. All right, y'all. So, I cleaned off my chicken. And literally, guys, I got this recipe from, I will put it in here, but I cleaned off my chicken, and now all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so now all I'm about to do is season my chicken. So this is how my chicken turned out after I seasoned it. And now I'm about to start on my veggies. And I'm gonna use carrots, peas, celery, potatoes, all that stuff to make it a mix. But yes, it's about to be fire, y'all. Alright, y'all, so my curry chicken is cooking. I got my veggies over there. I'm gonna add in, I already added some of my onion, my thyme, and all that good stuff in there. So just wanted to give y'all a little look or whatever. See, it's about to be fun. Alright, y'all, so I added my veggies in, and I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this is gonna turn out. Let me turn on the light so I can show y'all. This looks. And then I'm gonna add my carrots and potatoes toward the end. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be so good. I did not realize how many spices Jamaicans use. They use a lot of spices, but we had it. We was ready. And I'm not used to using so many spices, you know. So it's an adjustment. I just put a little more seasoning salt in here. It's not too salty or nothing like that. But so yeah, so I'm gonna let this curry chicken cook just a little bit longer. We're gonna see how this turns out, y'all. They had a lot of stuff in here, y'all. A lot. And they told me to keep the fire on high, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, so just one more look. There's my chicken. And yo, it is turning out really good. It has a little bit more time to cook. I can't try this, y'all. It was so fire in Jamaica. I'm like, I have to eat this at home. I have to. So, yeah, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Like, I can't wait. Like, seriously. So, but anyway. Y'all. And then I'm making corn and rice. So this will go on top of the rice. And bada bing, bada bang. All the food is cooking. I just wanted to catch up with y'all for a little bit and just let y'all know what is tea, what's going on with my pregnancy. Y'all, oh my gosh, my baby, I cannot wait to meet them. Literally active, kicking all day, like turning up in my belly. And it makes me so happy because it lets me know that they're okay. You know that God is covering them and that he's talking to them. Like it's a vibe, okay? And y'all, I'm so excited about this curry. It does taste very curry, so I had to add a little bit more spices in there to make it have that extra spice or extra kick on there. Because some of the things that was on Daddy's Kitchen YouTube channel, some of his seasons we just couldn't find, and so we had to work with the seasons that we already have in the cabinet. And I can't wait to try it because when we tried it in Jamaica, y'all, curry was probably the main thing that I got because it was so good. It was so good. I am really excited about this baby. I cannot wait to see my baby, and I just can't wait to hold them and give them a name and all those things. And so I'm really excited. I feel so blessed. How I felt in the beginning, I feel totally different now. In the beginning, I was just like, honestly, guys, I was going through a whole depression, okay? Not because I don't love my baby or that I don't care about my child or that I'm not excited for my child, but y'all, I literally was just like, let me go to the bathroom because my husband is on the phone. In the beginning, I was so depressed. I was so down, and I just felt like, man, like, Lord, I have 3 babies, and not only that, I'm breastfeeding one, and I don't know how I'm going to do it with another baby. I just don't know. Like, I want to be like, yeah, I got this under control, like, you know, but honestly, I didn't. I was in the moment. I wasn't overwhelmed with my 3 children, but I had just adjusted to having 3 kids right around when Mila was, I don't know, 6 months or something. However old she was, but yeah, so I was just adjusting to it, and I'm just like, man, like, how in the world did I get pregnant again? Like, we definitely were not trying to have a baby, but God put the baby here, and so I'm thankful, and I can't wait. I'm so excited, and I'm looking forward to being a family of 6, and every day, God just gives me more wisdom on what to do. He's placed amazing, phenomenal women of God around me to pray for me and intercede for me and show me what to do as well. So it feels really good to have people to lean on and to encourage me and to let me know, like, you can do this, like, you're gonna get through this, and you are a great mom. And so, like, my friend Jaleesa, my mom, my sisters, and of course, like, just like friends here and there. So I'm super thankful. Let me check on my food because there's something dripping. But yeah, this food is dripping. It's not playing. Yeah, it's not playing. But no, so like, yeah, I was just like, y'all, oh my gosh, I was so nervous, so just like, God, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but God just reassured me, like, no, I set you up for this, and the enemy can't give life, only God can. And so if you're out there and you're pregnant, and maybe you're pregnant with your 2nd child, 3rd child, 4th child, 1st child, whatever, and you're feeling nervous and you're just like, oh my gosh, like, you know, I don't know what's to come, and you know, I'm nervous or whatever. I just wanted to encourage you just like God encouraged me, and let you know, like, no, you got this. You're going to be an amazing and phenomenal parent, and God has got you under control. And so, yeah, the Lord really encouraged me. And so I know if he encouraged me and he doesn't love me any more than he loves you, that he's going to encourage you, and he's encouraging you too, and that you're going to be an amazing mother or amazing father if you're watching this, you know. And so God has been so kind to us. So yeah, thank God that we got our house in time, and we're like, okay, yay, like we moved and everything, because it worked out perfect. And so God really does provide for his children. Maybe you're a mother and you're watching this video and you're like, I don't know how I'm going to provide for my baby, you know, I'm a single mom, or I don't know how I'm going to provide for my children or whatever. I just want to let you know that whatever you pray for, God will provide. God is not going to give you a baby and not provide for your child. I love that song by Maverick City called Jireh, and this is one part where Naomi Rain sings, and she says, if he dresses the lilies with beauty and splendor, how much more will he clothe you? How much more will he clothe you? And so basically what that means is, if that's an actual scripture in the Bible, but basically what that means is that if God takes care of the lilies in the fields, and he makes sure that they have need of what they need and have what they need, and the birds and the sparrows have what they need, why would he not take care of his children whom he loves and he created and are created in his image and in his likeness? That's not like him. And so we have to trust God with our situations, with what we can't control, with what we can't do, and we just have to put in his hands. And so yes, y'all, so that's where I am. Y'all, I'm getting tired because I am so sleepy, but I am about to eat this food, and I do want to show you guys how it turned out. So that was my little spill or whatever, and I know we here, I know we connecting because we're on the same page, right? And so yeah, but I'm gonna go check on this food, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it turns out. Y'all, so it is all done. I know some people don't leave the skin on their chicken when they make it, but I like the skin. And y'all, look, this is falling off the bone. I got my rice, my corn. It's about to slap. It's about to slap. Like, I'm not even playing right now. Like, for real. Y'all, I'm eating this curry, and I didn't think it was gonna be spicy. It do got a little spice in there. Pretty much almost done, but it is fire. It's fire. It literally so good. So good. Y'all. It's so good. Let's see what John thinks. Alright, y'all, so I did get my husband's reaction off camera. He said it tastes like chicken to me. He didn't say like that it tastes like this or that or whatever. He just said it tastes like really, really well seasoned chicken. And so yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. I did not get a lot of chicken on my plate because I had a lot already, and I'm trying to stick with the veggies. Okay, so yeah, but this is fire, y'all. This is fire. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. It's just a nighttime vlog. After this, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get some sleep and fold laundry. Actually, before I go to sleep, maybe. But let me get that on my eye. Little booger. Hey, booger. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon.